Welcome! In this video, we'll provide an overview of WebExtend and Predict data sources. Both of these are essential for one-to-one personalization. The component called WebExtend is a data collection script which tracks visitor interactions on your website and makes the data available for several services within Emarsys. To gain a 360 view of your business, we need information about the product catalog, visitor behavior in the online store, and optionally, historic sales data. The product catalog contains basic product metadata, such as identifiers, human-readable labels, links to the products and images, prices, and so forth. What's happening in the online store? As visitors search, view products and categories, leave items in their cart, and purchase products. WebExtend collects all this information. We connect your website visitors using cross-device user identification. The behavior of visitors identified on multiple devices is connected, so we get an accurate view of how and where they are most likely to interact with your brand. We also suggest uploading the last several years of purchase data to give our system a nice way to get started. WebExtend makes all this information available for other services in Emarsys, so you don't have to spend time integrating these as separate systems. Examples include revenue attribution, to track revenue from various channels. Automation also uses this data to build campaigns based on contact behavior. Our Product Smart Insight takes the product and purchase data for customer lifecycle segmentation. And Predict, to provide one-to-one personalization with web and email recommendations. To make sure your data collection is healthy, we provide system monitors like the Predict Data Sources page and Live Validator. The Predict Data Sources page serves as a monitoring dashboard that allows you to check in if your integration has any issues. Here you can find a series of boxes for product, web behavior, and sales data. Each box displays health status information. This status can be green, indicating everything is okay, orange, indicating non-critical errors, and red, indicating that there is an urgent need for a fix. Clicking the expand icon allows you to see the error details, the recovery steps, and in some cases, examples of where the error could be found. The first box that you see is the product data, which displays the status of the latest update, the number of items your current catalog has, and how many of them are available for customers to purchase. By clicking Manage Product Data, you'll see details of your product data sync. You can check on the health status, upload and validate product data files manually, get an overview of your product data, and access your Category Explorer. Search for products, for example, to troubleshoot if you know of a particular product that is having issues. And have historical info about your product files. If you're using Emarsys CSV or Google Product Feed, you have an additional box to edit your product data settings. Now let's go back to the Predict Data Sources page. Next, you have the Web Behavior Data Source. This lets you see page views, tracked revenue, and live stats captured by our data collection scripts. You can click Site Traffic Reports to see the details, or click Live Events to see all your current events, views, purchases, and what recommendation widgets are being served to your visitors in real time. For privacy reasons, no personally identifiable information is shown. Going back to the Predict Data Sources page, on the right side, you'll find two important boxes that show if your data sources are consistent with each other. For example, if the Emarsys data collection scripts pass product IDs, which are not found in your product data, you'll see warnings here. Further down, you will find account details and tools. The Live Validator puts all the warning and errors into one digestible page for your developers to work with. Trigger Email lets you trigger a cart recovery event for testing purposes. And you have a dedicated link to the Category Explorer. Sales Data lets you upload and manage historical sales data, returns, cancellations, and offline data that is used by Smart Insight products. We hope you enjoyed this session. Thanks for your attention.